Hey guys, what's up? It's Penguin, and here is the keyboard that I recently customized. I've lubed it and everything, and I will show you how it sounds now. This is unlubed. And then this is lubed. Yeah, and this is a quicker difference. This is the stabilizers. I lubed the stabilizers yet. It's not the best. Let's do a typing test. Alright, let's start. Alright, 84 words per minute. Raw speed 92. Alright, so technically I got 92 words per minute. Not bad. My best is 132. Not bad, I could do better, but thank you for watching my keyboard video. And I will see you next time.